Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Corey. I'm Clinic Director and Founder here at Wellness Stop Chiropractic Health Center in Tustin. Now, are you suffering from vertigo, dizziness, balance disorders? Do you have fibromyalgia? Do you have thyroid problems even though that your lab tests are normal? Are you suffering from peripheral neuropathy? Do you have chronic neck and back pain? Well, many of the people that you're going to see on the following testimonial video and following this presentation here that I'm doing with you have suffered those same things. And the thing is that no stone will be left unturned to make sure that we get to the cause of your problem, just as we have for these individuals that you're going to witness for yourself. So I'd like you to sit back. I want you to take it easy. Just relax. Take in the stories. I want you to listen to people. Each one of them is very, very unique. Each one of them is very special. But the one thing that they did do is they took action. So if you're ready to overcome your chronic health condition, then we will leave no stone unturned and make sure that we get you well. Stay tuned. I'll see you after the video.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Roberson. I came in to see Dr. Corey at the advice of my daughter and ex-wife, due to severe vertigo and nausea, and I think it was from a clunk on the head I had in the job. I also suffered from double vision for 2 years prior to coming in here. And I must say that 2 hours after I went home after my treatment with Dr. Corey, I was able to sit up and eat with no nausea. My vertigo was gone. And I noticed the next day when I was driving up to Oregon for my next job that my double vision had disappeared. So, and that was amazing to me, since I'd been to an ophthalmologist who told me that what I had was symptoms I had to live with because there was apparently a brain function that wasn't allowing my eyes to focus. I've been going to him for better than 2 or 3 years, so it's amazing. I'm totally amazed at this. I didn't say I didn't believe in it before, but I do now, so thank you.
Hi, my name is Keon Kleiniff. I originally came to Dr. Corey because I was having problems conceiving, and I started seeing him twice a week, and gosh, I think I was pregnant within maybe a month and a half, 2 months, and had a really great pregnancy. I had absolutely no back pain. I continued to see him on a weekly basis throughout the whole thing. Second time, I wanted to get pregnant, started going back, getting my adjustments again on a regular basis. I was also at that time doing kind of a holistic approach and on some herbs and special teas and things like that. It seemed to work again. It had another good pregnancy, no back pain, nothing to complain about. So it was very, very helpful.
Hi, my name is Michael Guntram, and I was in a really bad car accident 15 years ago and went to some doctors, and they never helped me. And I've had neck issues all my life, pretty much since then. And a good friend of mine, Terry Brooks, told me about Dr. Corey. I never believed in chiropractic care ever, but I'm a believer now. I'm so much better than I ever was before. My neck, my back, everything works better now, and it's been an absolute lifesaver. And if you get a chance to see him, go do it, because he will save your life.
Hi, my name is Lynn, and I came to see Dr. Corey because I had a sciatica pain all my legs in the right hand side. And from the first time I came here, I could walk without the cane. When I have to use the cane when I come into the office, but just the 1-2 second time, and then I don't have to use my cane. So I really thank Dr. Corey's treatment, and he is very kind, and he explained everything to me. Thank you, Dr. Corey.
Hi, my name is Chuck Payne. I just want to say that Dr. Corey actually, in my opinion, performed a miracle this morning. I couldn't hardly turn my neck at all to the left and just very, very barely to the right. And after the adjustment, as you can see, it's back to normal again. Great job, Doctor.
Hi, my name is Wendy Olson, and I've been seeing Dr. Corey for 9 years. And on Monday of last week, I was incapacitated, couldn't walk, was in total pain, and by Saturday I was playing tennis.
Hi, my name is Susan, and I'm a patient of Dr. Corey's. And I came in with peripheral neuropathy, both hands and feet, that I've had for about 8 years. and I had a lot of subluxation, and I also have a little bit of scoliosis. I had a lot of pain, a lot of cramping, and I've done the light therapy and some of the other therapies that he had, the full body vibration plate and the adjustments, and now I can walk on bare feet without a lot of pain, and I have full movement again. I still have some neuropathy left, but it's improved a great deal with the light therapy, and I'm going to continue that therapy.
Hi, my name is Carla Redlinger, and I've been a patient of Dr. Corey's since 2001, and came to see him regarding sciatica pain, and over the years it's totally abated, and he's helped me with my TMJ, my migraines, and I just come in for my continual wellness care, and I don't suffer at all.
My name is John, and I came to Dr. Corey maybe about 6 years ago, and at that time I weighed 265 pounds, and with this help with nutrition and coming in here and having adjustments over this last length of time, for the first time in 15 years I've gone without having back spasms or a really severe back problem, and I think it's all due to Dr. Corey. So I would highly recommend anyone to come see him and get involved with his program, and you can go from, just like I did, from 200 and almost 70 pounds down to 190 with just a little bit of change to your diet and Dr. Corey's help. Thank you very much.
My name is Paige Atchison. I've been going to Dr. Corey since I was like 10 years old. Anyway, that's a long time. Dr. Corey has made me feel so much better. I always have sinus problems, and he adjusts my neck, and I always have hip problems because I mountain bike ride, so he always puts me back together. So I really appreciate all of his work.
I started coming into Dr. Corey because I was having ear infections and going to the MD for antibiotics, antihistamines, decongestants, and I started coming to Dr. Corey about 3-4 years ago. And it's really helped me. I mean, people look at me like I'm crazy when I say I'm going to a chiropractor for ear infections. I haven't had to take any antibiotics for an ear infection in the last 4 years, well, since I started coming to Dr. Corey. So it's really helped me. I come in once a week, and it's just been great. It's much better than going to the doctor every month, month and a half, and taking all the antibiotics and stuff. Just much better. So that's what I started coming in for.
Yeah, when I first came to Dr. Corey, I'm a cyclist, so I was having loads of problems where I was having cramps in my calves. I kept getting muscle spasms in my low back. My fingers were tingling on one side, and I've been coming now for about 1.5 years, almost 2 years in November. And in that time, I've only had one incident where I've had any cramping in my calves through riding. I don't have any problems with spasms in my back anymore, and generally feel really good. I'm pretty active and I'm able to enjoy all these different things. So, Dr. Corey's done a great job, and I totally recommend him to anybody that has any kind of problems.
My name is Terry, and I've been a patient of Dr. Corey's for several years now. And I had a really interesting situation on Monday that really even made me more of a believer, even though I already am. On Sunday and Monday of this week, I was really battling what I felt was a urinary tract infection, and also swollen neck glands, sore throat. I could barely swallow. I could barely touch even my neck without just being in really bad pain. So I was on my way up to my regular medical doctor, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go see Dr. Corey first before I do that. And so I did. And then I looked at the freeway, and the traffic was totally backed up, so I decided to skip going up to the regular doctor. Pardon me. So I ended up just seeing Dr. Corey and going home. Well, within the next several hours, it was amazing. All the symptoms of urinary tract infection left me. The swollen neck glands went down. The sore throat went away. So in less than half a day, everything was fine. And I would have been going up to the regular doctor and been on how many different medications for whatever reason, which could cause other problems. And instead, I saw Dr. Corey, and within several hours, I was pretty much back to normal, and so it was a really great thing. So thank you, Dr.
Hi,
Corey.
my name is Bob Noble. I'm 48 years old. I feel like I'm 28. I play tournament softball and play ball all the time and have more energy than all the younger guys on my team. And I attribute it all to Dr. Corey. I think he's great. Sometimes people say I need surgery. I come in here, I'm out throwing the ball 300 feet the next day. So anybody who's playing sports should come see Dr. Corey. You don't need surgery 90% of the time. When they tell you you need surgery, come see him and you won't need surgery. That's what I believe.
Hi, my name is Dr. Newcomer, and I've been a patient of Dr. Corey's for about 8 or 9 years now. And I've been to many other chiropractors over the years, and Dr. Corey has been marvelous in his approach and his emphasis on the neurologic, which I think is very, very important. I'm a dentist, I'm not a chiropractor, but as a dentist you hunch over and lean a lot, and so this has been extremely beneficial to me. It's been beneficial from a general health standpoint, as well as just keeping me fit and better able to go into the office and work with my patients and serve them well. So I highly recommend Dr. Corey if you're interested in chiropractics. He is exceptional, he is a great person, as well as a very accomplished chiropractor. And he's ethical, and he is a genuine person who's here to care for people, and that's the most important part. So thank you.
My name's Rich Saul. I played 12 years for the LA Rams. And believe me, in fact, I've spent 25 years of running into people every fall and having them run into me, and so I obviously have seen quite a few chiropractors in my lifetime, but nobody like Dr. Corey. This man, he's a nerve specialist. He's not a chiropractor. I never look at him as that way. He's actually a nerve specialist. He goes and he adjusts you. He tests your strength in your arms and stuff, and never before had anybody ever done that. And straightens me up. Believe me, after 25 years, 12 of them in the NFL, playing center, never having missed a game, I am thankful for Dr. Corey. And I would encourage anyone to come and see this man, because he is good. He is a nerve specialist. He will help you tremendously. Thank you.
Hi, and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed each and every one of the testimonials, and if you can relate to any one of these stories, and you are currently experiencing difficulty of a chronic health condition that you just can't seem to overcome, by all means, I'll welcome you to make a consultation appointment with our office. I'll sit down with you. We'll do a history, we'll do a consultation. If you desire, we'll go ahead and schedule you for an examination. Now, in the preceding videos that you just watched, one thing had to take place, is the patient had to say, I'm ready to take action. And that's what I profess to you, is that if you're ready to take action, and you want somebody that's going to treat you neurologically, metabolically, and structurally, leaving no stone unturned, then our office is for you. You can contact our office at 714-730-5833. And once again, I'm Dr. Michael Corey. I welcome you to our office. We're here to help you reach optimum wellness.